Morning, kids and coaches. I'm Coach Camp Murphy, and today, God, I really hate to be doing this, but we're going to be showing some love to Sir Isaac Newton. You might know him as a miraculous scientist that discovered a lot of things and helped us a lot in physics, but I know him more as the virgin that created calculus. Now, obviously his laws of physics don't apply to specimens such as myself, Camp Murphy. I hit dingers into the stratosphere. There's no force great enough to contain me, but sadly I will have to be teaching you some schoolwork today, even though that's not important whatsoever. The only thing you really need to know is how to eat cheese dogs, pick up diamond chicks, and hit dingers. So, without further ado, we'll get rolling. Welcome back, kids and coaches. I'm Coach Camp Murphy. Today, we're going to be breaking down getting beaten from a fundamental standpoint. Ernie, put that down. You don't need it yet, idiot. Now, I know what you kids might be thinking. Coach Kent, is there more than one way to get beaten? Sure is. Woo, kid! Woo! Alright, kids, I'm going to try and put this right on Ernie's. Take this, idiot. You need to try, Ernie. I got to do everything myself. Yeah, kid! Yeah! Ernie! Woo! Get up! Stop crying and go throw me the ball. Gotta do everything around here. Go! Now you see, kids, you weren't supposed to roll around and cry like a little pansy the whole time, alright? What you're supposed to do, you take that, you throw the bat in the ground as hard as you can about halfway up the first baseline. Now what that lets the pitcher know is he's about 5 seconds away from the whooping of a lifetime, alright? Now Ernie's going to throw it in here and demonstrate the correct way to do this. Let's break it down from a fundamental standpoint. Now you see what I did there, kids? I charged the mound. We didn't talk about that earlier, but there's a right time to do that. That's when you're 100% sure you can beat the pitcher's ass. For me, that's 100% of the time. For you, it's probably at 12. Ernie, get back here, we're not done yet! Now, you see that, kids, that was actually a scientific law at work. Sir Fig Newton over there, second law, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the action there was me getting beaned by that little Pecker's fastball. And the reaction there was me charging the mound, scaring him all the way to Timbuktu. Alright, kids and coaches, now we're going to be talking about Newton's third law, which, as of course you know, is mass is inversely proportional to acceleration. Now, you guys might be wondering how this is applied to baseball. Well, this fat ass like Ernie has a lot more mass than a specimen, such as myself, so he's going to be running the bases a lot slower than I will. However, you know, Newton does suck, and if I was 300 pounds, I'd still be running about 50 miles per hour. Welcome back, Ernie. Yeah, that's what I thought. Know your place, little boy. So, as I talked about earlier, we're gonna be talking about stealing bases here. I brought Ernie here, and he's gonna be the slow example. Like I said with Newton's law, he has a lot of mass right here, so he runs slow, and I mean slow. I might take a quick nap in between waiting for him to get to second base here. So, yeah, we're going to teach you how to steal bases from a fundamental standpoint. One thing you need to know, first move right here. I guess Chucky got out of prison again. All right, Ernie, you're up. Go! Alright, kids, now after that slow example there with a lot of mass out of Ernie, I'm going to show you what a slender figure like myself can get you in terms of running to second base here. So, down, pitcher delivers, you break. As I said, kids, Newton's third law at work. Lynn, cover up my loins! please don't leave me for what I'm about to do here. Alright kids, as you know, Newton's first law of motion, an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by another force. God, I'm really sorry about this, but to show that, I'm gonna bunt the baseball. Now what that does, there's the bat is the other force acted upon the object, aka the baseball. Now I'll stop it from moving. Lay down a little, God, a bunt. Alright kids, I'm really sorry about this, but there are a couple options you have here to get out of bunting. The first, so start off, you look down at your third base coach and he's probably gonna give you some dumb sign. Now that the bunt sign's on, there's one really simple way you can get out of doing that, and that is simply to just throw the bat down. Go, I ain't gonna bunt. I'm Kent Murphy. I don't do that. But you know, sometimes that won't work. So sign's still on. You're in the batter's box. Next thing you can do is just tell the other team what you're gonna do. Just go, hey, I'm fixing to bunt, and maybe that will get them to stop. Get your third base coach to change it, but sometimes, kids, there's just no way to get out of it. So what you're gonna do, you fully square around to the pitcher as such, and make sure you grip the bat with all fingers on the outside. Now most coaches will tell you, oh, that's stupid, you're gonna get your fingers hit. Well, first of all, they're stupid for giving you the bunt sign. Second off, there's really no good way to do it. So have Chucky throw one in here and get going. Home one in here. All right. Jesus Christ, Chucky, what was that?
Are you really gonna bunt, Kent?
I'm just trying to show the kids how to do it. I don't want to. It hurts me more than it's gonna hurt you.
Whoa! Let's go, Kent. I knew you wouldn't bunt. I knew it.
I don't bunt. I'm Kent Murphy. Don't ever bunt. Now, kids, in the excitement of that dinger right there, I forgot to explain to you how Newton's first law was at work there, and how that worked right there was the ball was in motion, and then the force of my bat acted upon that, sent it in the other direction, stopped where it was going, sent that to Machu Picchu, and yeah, it's probably still going. Once again, Newton's laws don't act upon someone such as myself. I am stronger than gravity. I do control gravity. Some might even go as far as to say gravity is my bitch. Thanks for watching this video today, kids and coaches. Hopefully you learned a couple things about Newton's 3 laws, as well as how to hit dingers and pick up diamond caps. Until next time, I'm Kent Murphy. Home that thing in there.
All right.